This Halloween decoration kit is a fun and festive way to bring the spooky season right into your home. The set includes 2 packs of ghost decorations with USB-powered string lights that instantly add a glowing and haunting effect to any room. Whether you are decorating a mantel, shelf, table, or even your fireplace, this kit is designed to fit seamlessly into your Halloween setup. One of the standout features of this decoration set is the included remote control. With just a simple press of a button, you can switch the lights on or off, adjust brightness, or even change lighting modes to suit your mood. This makes it incredibly convenient, especially if you have your decorations placed higher up or in harder to reach spots. The ghost figures are designed to be both cute and spooky, making them a great choice for family-friendly Halloween fun. The soft glow of the lights creates a warm atmosphere that is perfect for parties, trick-or-treating, or simply adding a seasonal touch to your living room. Since the lights are powered by USB, you also do not need to worry about replacing batteries, which saves both time and money. Another great advantage of this kit is its versatility. You can easily move the ghosts and lights from one area of your home to another, giving you flexibility to change your display throughout the season. The lightweight design makes them simple to set up and take down, so you can focus more on enjoying Halloween and less on complicated decorating. If you want to add an eye-catching and convenient touch of Halloween spirit to your home, this 2-pack ghost decoration kit with USB-powered lights and remote control is an excellent choice. Check out the link in the description below to get one for yourself today.